Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
If you've ever wanted to build a sleek, professional-looking Shopify store focused on selling just one great product, but felt overwhelmed by all the setup and design steps, then you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you step by step through building a complete one-product Shopify store using powerful AI tools that handle most of the heavy lifting for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a product from AliExpress and launch your very own store, even if you've never built a website before. Ready? Let's jump right in. First, we need to pick the right product. Head over to AliExpress. This is a massive online marketplace with just about everything you can imagine. Spend a few minutes browsing or searching for a product that excites you. It could be something trending, like a cool gadget or a fun beauty item, or maybe a niche product you've been eyeing yourself. Take your time here, because choosing the right item is like picking the main ingredient in your recipe. It sets the tone for your whole store. Look for products with lots of positive reviews and clear photos, because trust and visual appeal really help with conversions later. Once you've found your hero product, make note of the details and save a few good images. You'll use these soon. Now let's switch gears and head over to Shopify. This is where the magic really happens. When you're in your Shopify dashboard or the app marketplace, there's a handy search bar. Go ahead and type in Atlas AI Store Builder. This AI-powered tool is designed to make store setup smooth and streamlined, especially if you're new to e-commerce or just want to save time. Click on the app when it pops up in the results, then hit Install. Don't worry if you've never used third-party apps before. The installation is pretty much click and go. Once it's installed, Atlas AI will guide you through adding your product images. Remember those sharp, attractive pictures you grabbed from AliExpress earlier? Upload them here. Clear images make a massive difference. Think of it as the shop window for your online store. You want customers to see every detail, whether it's a close-up of the product, a lifestyle shot, or even packaging. And if something looks a little off or blurry, tweak it or swap for a better photo. First impressions really count. After you've gotten the visuals sorted, it's time to customize your store. This is actually a fun step because you get to let your brand personality shine. Pick your color scheme, update the text that describes your product, like the title, description, and maybe a quick tagline, and adjust the layout to your liking. Imagine you're setting up a physical display. You want everything to look inviting, reassuring, and easy for a customer to navigate. If you're not sure about a setting, don't stress. Atlas AI offers smart suggestions, and you can always change things later. Next up is choosing a plan for your store. Shopify will prompt you here, but the good news is you'll get a 5-day free trial. This is perfect. Use those days to make sure your store looks great and functions properly before you commit. If you're testing things or making tweaks, this free period lets you do that without any pressure. Remember, everyone experiments and learns as they go, so don't worry if it takes a little time to get everything just right. Once you're satisfied with how your store looks and feels, simply click Publish. That's it, your store goes live. You now have a Shopify site built almost entirely by AI, ready for visitors, sales, and growth. If you're feeling proud or a little amazed, that's totally normal. This process used to take hours or even days, and now you've done it in just a few steps. Thanks for watching, and congratulations on building your one-product store with AI. If you found this walkthrough useful, give the video a thumbs up, share it with a friend who might need it, and drop a comment if you have questions or want to show off your new store. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical e-commerce guides. See you next time.